This is a tutorial on how to do hypothesis testing for matched samples in Minitab. Now, for this example, we're going to be using the data from a previous page in the packet. For my edition of the packet, that is page 188, but you might have a different page number if you are using a different edition of the packet. Now, as you can see, we have the data for strawberry entered in column 2 and the data for vanilla entered in column 3. Now, to do a hypothesis test for matched sample, you go to Stat, Basic Statistics, and then Paired T. Now, since we have the samples in different columns, we will do each sample in a column. We could do summarized data with column C4 with just the differences, but we're not going to do that for now. So now we have our sample 1 is strawberry and our sample 2 is vanilla. Now I'll go to options, and I'm not going to change any of these because I want to use the default options for this, which is a confidence level of 95%, hypothesized difference of 0, and the alternative hypothesis is that the difference does not equal the hypothesized difference. Now you could change this if you wanted, if you had different uses, but for now we're going to keep it the same. So now that I have all of that, I will click OK. And as you can see, the output begins by giving you the mean, standard deviation, and standard error for the strawberry yogurt and the vanilla yogurt, which we have here. And then for the difference, which we have here, it shows that the mean is 5.17. And it also shows our 95% confidence interval for the difference in the means, which is negative 5.88 to 16.21. Now, if we scroll down, it will also show you our t-value, which is 1.03, and our p-value, which is 0.325. Now, it's important to compare the p-value to your alpha value in order to determine whether you accept or reject the null hypothesis. And our p-value is much greater than our alpha value of 0.05, so we fail to reject the null hypothesis here.